If you're spending hours in the gym doing endless crunches, trying every secret ab workout you find online, but still can't see your abs, you're not alone. The truth is, most people are wasting their time on the wrong stuff. So today I'm giving you the blueprint to actually build a six-pack in just 3 simple steps at home. Step 1, how to train abs. Understanding how to train abs, this is where most people mess up. They treat abs like some magical muscle that needs high reps. But this is totally wrong. You wouldn't do 100 reps of bench press with no weight to grow your chest. So stop doing that for your abs. If you want results, apply these 4 rules. Add resistance. That can be weights, resistance bands, or even your own body in harder variations. If you want that thick, carved 3D abs look, basic crunches alone won't cut it forever. You'll need to increase difficulty over time or use simple external resistance like a backpack with books. Stay in the 5 to 15 rep range. If you're cranking out 20 plus reps without crying, it's time to make the movement harder. Progressive overload. It means pushing your muscles a bit harder over time by making the exercises more difficult. For example, by slowing the tempo, using more challenging variations, or adding a backpack as resistance. Train abs twice a week. That's more than enough. No need to hit them 4 times a week. They need to rest to grow. Step 2, do the right efficient abs workout. To hit everything, upper, lower, and obliques, you only need 3 exercises. That's all. Seriously. Start with decline or weighted crunch variations. Upper abs. No machine? No problem. Lie down and place your legs on a chair or bench to create a decline angle. Then do controlled crunches. You can also hold a backpack to your chest for extra resistance. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest. Next, leg raises or hanging knee raises. At home, you can lie on the floor and do straight leg raises slowly. In a park, use parallel bars or monkey bars to do hanging knee raises. If straight legs are too tough, bend your knees. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest. And then finish with side plank hip raises or standing side crunches. For obliques, side plank hip raises are killer. Just hold the plank position on your side and lift your hips up and down. If you're outside, you can also do standing side crunches with a backpack on one side for resistance. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest. And that's it. No need to overcomplicate it. But wait, we're not done yet. Sit back down. We still have fat to slay. Step 3, why your abs are not visible. You need to understand this clearly. Abs are made with smart training, but they're revealed or built through proper nutrition. 1, fat loss. You already have abs, they're just hiding under fat. To uncover them, go into a calorie deficit, eat high protein, and train consistently. Avoid crash diets. Slow, steady fat loss gives lasting results. 2, muscle gain. If you're already lean but don't see abs, the issue is lack of muscle. You need a calorie surplus, progressive overload, and clean, high-protein meals. Over time, your abs will get thicker and more defined. Recap: overload progressively. Be consistent. Lose fat, gain muscle, subscribe to my channel. That's it. That's how you actually get abs. If you do this consistently, you'll eventually look in the mirror and say, holy sh**. Now go train smart.